Welcome to a new episode of Arabia Unboxing Lego Edition. Today I got something really special, a set I've been wanting to build for a long time, and this is crypto, as everybody's gotten used to. I just can't make a video without having her in it. So today I'm gonna unbox, build. You'll see me building it through a time lapse while giving you some facts about it. The Orient Express. So this is the set that has 2,540 pieces. I'm going to journey back to the golden age of rail travel with this legendary train, which wasn't just a train. Like this was literally a piece of history. The Orient Express is often hailed as the king of trains, and the train of kings.
On the 5th of June 1883, the first Orient Express train departed Paris. The Orient Express was created by Georges Nagelmakers, a wealthy Belgian and the founder of an international company that specialised in luxury travel.
So it wasn't just a train, it was like a place where all the rich and famous mingled, and all the royalty of Europe as they traveled from Paris to Istanbul, passing along some of the Europe capitals and opening up the doorway to Asia. So over the years, the Orient Express has inspired many books, movies, and even like a murder mystery from the Queen of Suspense, Agatha Christie. And I'm sure everybody's heard of the movie The Murder on the Orient Express.
If there was a murder,
What is going on?
then there was a murderer. The murderer is with us. And every one of you is a suspect.
And who are you?
My name is Hercule Poirot, and I am probably the greatest detective in the world.
Let's embark on the construction of this iconic train. And meet the fan designer, the French director and screenwriter Thomas Lejeune. He's the guy we owe the Orient Express to. It's always good to arrange them by numbers and just set them aside. Let's go. And we're done with the Orient Express. What a glorious build. It was I really enjoyed this build. One of the most detailed sets I've ever built. The details on this train are amazing. I'm gonna run you guys through them. Restaurant car, the bed car, and this is probably the coal car and the main machine. The main locomotive, and obviously you can't really move it too much, though you do see these really move beautifully here, but I guess it wasn't made for, it's more made for a kind of a display kind of thing. restaurant, car, and if, as you see, you can like pull out the roof of it, and the details of this are amazing inside. So you can see like a couple of tables that are set with the chairs, the bar with a painting, a mirror. There's actually a mirror. Here we have the sleeping cart, and again, take out the roof, and this is truly fantastic. Like we got, oh wow, you got so you got a bedroom. You see the bed, a sofa, wall decoration, an office with a small typewriter on it, a bathroom. You actually like the bathroom with the mirror and the sink, and then here kind of like the sitting area, another room with double beds, and in this here now I guess I can move this a bit. So this is like, I guess, the coal cart. You can, and there you go. Like you can see how it does move beautifully. On the main locomotive, again inside, a lot of details about all the machinery and everything that made it run. I mean, really, a really beautiful piece that I'm gonna try and find a nice place to display it. This was a great build. I really enjoyed it. This is one of the most detailed pieces I've ever seen from Lego. Well done, Lego. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another episode of Arabia Unboxing. Choo choo!